Bitcoin just pushed back above $71,000, and if you think this is just another breakout, you're already behind. This move didn't come from crypto hype, it came from global politics, and if you understand that, you understand the market right now. Over the past few days, tensions between the US and Iran were rising fast, and markets reacted exactly how you'd expect. Oil went up, risk dropped, and Bitcoin pulled back with everything else. Then a ceasefire gets announced, and the entire mood flips almost instantly. Trump confirms talks are happening, Iran signals it's open to negotiations, and suddenly fear drops across the board. Oil sells off, stocks bounce, and Bitcoin shoots back above 71K. This wasn't random. It was a direct reaction to global sentiment changing in real time. And this is the part most people still don't get. Bitcoin is not acting like a hedge right now, it's acting like a speedometer for risk. When fear increases, it drops, and when confidence comes back, it moves up fast. Now this move had real momentum behind it. Shorts got squeezed, liquidations kicked in, and volume pushed price straight through resistance. That's not slow accumulation, that's forced movement. But here's where you need to pay attention. This entire move is built on a temporary situation. This is not peace, this is a pause, and that's a big difference. The ceasefire is only set for a short period, the Strait of Hormuz is still a concern, and negotiations haven't even fully played out yet. That means the same headlines that pushed Bitcoin up can pull it right back down just as fast. So what you're really looking at right now is not a trend, it's a reaction market. Price is moving based on headlines, not just charts, and that changes how you have to think about everything. Now in markets like this, positioning becomes more important than prediction. It's not about guessing perfectly, it's about being ready to move when things change. And that's where most people fall behind, because they're not set up for speed. That's also why I always pay attention to where the market is going long term, not just what it's doing today. Because while Bitcoin is reacting to macro right now, the bigger story is still infrastructure and evolution. And that's part of the reason we've been talking about Bitcoin hyper more lately. Not financial advice, but it's one of those projects that's focused on improving how Bitcoin actually functions, things like speed, scalability, and usability. From what I've seen looking through their site and white paper, it's aimed at making Bitcoin more practical as demand increases and the market becomes more complex. And that matters, because if more capital keeps entering the space, the systems around Bitcoin have to evolve with it. It's also been getting coverage across major platforms like Bitcoin.com, Bitcoin Magazine, 99 Bitcoins, CoinMarketCap and others, which usually signals growing attention. Right now it's still early, sitting around 0.013678 and gradually climbing. And early stage positioning is where a lot of upside typically comes from. Now, of course, there's risk and you can lose everything, so always do your own research. But if you are looking into opportunities like this, how you enter matters more than people think. Personally, I prefer using Solana when possible because it's faster and cheaper, but Ethereum is still a solid option as well. And using something like the Best Wallet app just makes everything easier. You can manage assets, move between chains, and get into early opportunities without dealing with unnecessary friction. But bringing it back to Bitcoin, this is the key takeaway. This move above 71K is real, but the reason behind it is bigger than crypto itself. It's being driven by global events, and that means it can change fast. So the real question isn't just whether Bitcoin is going up, it's whether you understand what's actually moving it. Because right now, it's not just crypto, it's the world. If you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to follow, and we'll be back with more soon.